If Wednesdays got you feeling the blues, Bollywood is here to add a little sparkle to your day. From Kareena Kapoor Khan and her beat-down buddies kicking off Diwali festivities to Gabriela Dimitriades facing the fireworks, Nick and Priyanka starting a family business, and lots more. Here are all the top headlines of the day. Arjun Rampal's girlfriend Gabriela Dimitriades was clicked appearing before the Narcotics Control Bureau, who summoned her for interrogation in connection to a drugs-related probe. On Monday, the NCB conducted raids at Rampal's premises in Mumbai, post which they summoned the two for questioning on November 11. Buzz is that Arjun is expected to be called in for questioning tomorrow. Meanwhile, on the other side of town, film producer Feroz Nadyatwala's wife Shabana Saeed could breathe a little easy after a Mumbai court granted her bail on Tuesday in connection with a drug-related case. Saeed was granted bail on a personal bond of Rs 15,000. Arguing for her release, her lawyer submitted before the court that it is a case of seizure of a small quantity of drugs. While the rest of us were just packing on the pound in lockdown, Priyanka Chopra and hubby Nick Jonas were spreading their business empire, it seems. The couple has been putting their time to good use and working on a family business together. Nick gushed about this big joint venture and said, "We're actually working on a number of things together as well, so it's kind of a family business at this point." Back in B-Town, Sara Ali Khan was spotted around town immersed in her film promotions. However, it was her sassy and classy reply to a shutterbug during a photo call that has the internet buzzing. The actress, who's been charming the photogs with her signature Namaste greeting, had a hilarious response when they requested her to do Namaste wala pose. Amused by the request, the actress laughed and pointed out, "Namaste pose nahi hota."
सारा जी आपका नमस्ते वाला पोस्ट तो कीजिए।
सारा जी
तो मेरा पोज नहीं होता। Diwali is just around the corner, but while we are still in lockdown, why even bother to wait? Our camera spotted Bebo and Baby getting into the festive spirit as they kick-started Diwali celebrations. Kareena, who's been out and about and fulfilling all her work commitments, was spotted heading to a pre-Diwali bash with her friends Masaba Gupta, Mom Babita and a few others. Talking about Malaika, did you all see her uber cool reflective shots? The star surely had all eyes on her when she hit the road running in her cool workout gear. Don't know about you, but this flashy and catchy item is already on our wish list. High up in the hills, it seems like the party just won't stop for Kangana Ranaut, who is now in celebration mode for her brother's big fat wedding. Sharing a glimpse of the pre-wedding celebrations on in full swing, Kangana posted adorable clips of herself decked in her traditional best for the festivities with the family. She let fans in on all the deets as they get ready for the big day. On that note, it's goodbye for now. Don't forget to fly by tomorrow. Bye-bye.